What is this, Bibe?
Oh, letters.
Letters. This is big letters, capital letters, okay? And this is small letters, okay? This is small letters. Oh, it's your first time. Okay, let's read. Okay, wait. Gusto ko, itong big letter, ididikit mo siya sa small letters like this, okay?
No.
Okay po. This is small letters, okay? Well, ito is, anong to? Small letter to.
A.
Very good! Ganyan. Yan ang small letters. Okay po.
Okay po.
Guluhin ko na para natin para hindi sunod-sunod very good. Yan ang small letter A. Very good. Anong letter ito?
K.
Okay, small letter
K.
K. Put mo na. Dito. Here. Tingnan mo kung tama, kung nakatayo o hindi. Like that. Ito. Anong letter ito?
3.
This is not tree. It's letter. Letter? What letter is this? Very good. Small letter M.
M.
That is W. Where's M? Yes, I'll go.
Let me see.
Okay po. Get ka na ulit ng letters.
Pick 1. 6.
What letter is that? Hindi yan 6. Letters nga. Saan ang big letter niyan? Letter. That's not 6. No, that's not 6. It's letters yan. Letter G. G. G, this one. Here. Small letter ng G yan. Small letter G. Yes, it looks like 6 pero small letter G yan, okay? Opo, put mo na dito. Small letter G. G yan, G. As in goat, okay? Small letter G. Tingnan mo yung colors niya, parehas. Look at dyan, I told you. Tingnan mo. You did it?
Yeah.
Wala nga. Hindi mo maano. Very good. Get ka ulit. Get ka ulit ng letter.
O.
Alam mo agad. Put mo na yung O, garo dun. Put mo na yung O.
O.
Asan yung O?
Maybe here.
Yes. Put mo na yung O.
It's red.
Yes. Lagay mo na yung O. Yan. Very good. Get another letters na.
19.
What yan? What letters yan?
G.
No. It's E. E.
E.
Yeah, E. Connect mo na siya doon. Small letter E yan. Look. Di ba?
Wait. I did.
You did it?
Yeah. Where's the
E. No. Ganyan.
E.
Get ka ulit ng letters. What letter is that?
So tiny.
Patingin natin.
Okay.
It's letter Y.
Y.
Asan yung Y?
Y.
Y. Small letter Y. Asan yung small letter Y? U yan, U. Y. Z yan. Yan, Y. X, Y, Z. Asan yung Y? Very good.
Super Y. Super Y.
Very good. O, kuha ko ulit ng letters. May big letters, tapos may small letters din, okay?
Okay.
Opo. What letter is that? Small letter?
I.
R.
Oh.
Very good. Asan yung R dyan? Asan yung R? R. R. No. H yan eh. Bera natin. Ano yun? Okay. Dikit mo na karudan. Lagay mo nga yung R. No, baliktad. Ganyan. Yan ang R na small letter. Kuha ka ulit ng letters. Para hindi lang big letters ang alam mo. Dapat small letters din. What letter is that? What letter is that?
U.
Very good. Magkamukha naman kasi. Go.
Mommy?
What?
I did it.
Very good. Natanggal mo?
Oh, yeah.
Oops. Proper. Very good. Anong letters na? Sinabi mo na, pink. What letter? What letter is that?
P.
Very good.
Let's open it.
Lagay mo na.
Oh, it's a stick.
Sticky.
Yeah.
Para hindi lumilipad-lipad pag
Mommy,
nilagay.
there's P.
Very good.
Sabi no.
Hayaan mo na pag naidikit na. Very good.
Sabi no.
Get ka ulit letter. What is next? Anong next na letter? What letter is that? F.
F.
Asan yung F dito? Sa big letter. Asan ang big letter F? Yes, para siyang 7. Asan yung letter F? Asan yung big letter F?
F.
F. F. Asaan siya? Ay, huwag kang manghula. F. I know. Mag-ano tayo? Sing.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Asan yung F? F. Sing mo ulit.
A, B, C, D, E, F, S,
Go, put mo na.
No. We got the nose.
Yes. Yuck.
We got the nose.
Yan, sige na. Put mo na.
The nose.
Yes. Put mo na yung F. Asan na yung F kanina?
E, F, G, H,
Very good.
I,